Hey guys, it's Emerald Cookie here. Today we are going to make some sand putty.
Kinetic slime pudding is what it looks like. It feels so nice.
It looks gross, but
it feels nice.
So
it's just
good.
because of the color of the
So all you need is some putty
and some
Kinetic sand. Today we are going to use gray Kinetic sand because I only have sparkly gray Kinetic sand. I got some on the table. Our time comes here. So I'm going to just mix it in. It feels like a jellyfish.
Yeah. If you do some stuff, you gotta wash your hands, eh?
Yeah. My grandma's tough.
Before you eat. I don't know what's in it though.
Maybe say hi to YouTube.
Who?
YouTube.
I say hi?
Say hi to YouTube.
Where?
There. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi.
Oh, in there. Oh, I couldn't see it. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Say hi.
Hi, little girls. Are you online?
Yes.
Oh.
Doesn't. We don't. She doesn't really know. She doesn't know that
Look what I made.
Are you on the... Which one are you on? YouTube.
Look at this.
Yoo-hoo. YouTube. Hi.
Oh.
Hi, YouTube.
Yep.
This looks like a galaxy pudding.
Just keep on adding Kinetic sand until you find the right mixture for you. I just want to make it feel like sand, but stretchy sand.
My hands are like in the camera.
Oh, jeez.
Do you help your mother with her dishes?
Oh, that's enough. Okay, guys, seriously, you can do this, but it goes for your fingers and it feels so weird.
No, I have kinetic sand through my
Oh
fingers,
my
so I don't care.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, so guys, this is like...
You're gonna make statues? Or not statues, but dog tools?
This is how you make sand slime putty.
Yeah, look at the black cat. You're on top of her.
What?
Look at the black cat. Oh, that looks like a black cat. Go ahead. Look, watch it. Get over here. Okay, look at the ears. And she's
Oh my god!
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah. Oh, this is so cool though.
You just ripped yours apart.
I don't care.
Watch this. I don't want to do that because then kinetic sand will fly out of mine.
Is that
Feel it.
what they
Feel it.
make with that stuff? It's
It
like
feels better.
Oh,
gum made out of some kind of stuff, but you can't eat it.
So, guys,
You better not
you are
eat
going to
that.
love this stuff. Like I personally love it. You can get this putty at Bob's General Store in the mall downtown, or like for example, Dollar Store and other places. So
This looks
it
like
was
a
fun
galaxy.
making a video, right?
Yeah.
This is Isabella. She's great. Anyway, bye.